Hey guys, if you want to use any object from an image to another image, for an example, I would need to use this cloud to this image where I just have the sky with no clouds. So what I'm going to do is I am going to select this cloud by going to select and click on subject. It is going to automatically select this cloud, and after that what I'm going to do is go to select again, click on modify and then click on expand. I'm going to expand it with 20 pixels and click on OK. After that, make a copy of it by selecting Ctrl J and delete this layer. After deleting this layer, we will select both of these layers like this. Go to edit and click on auto blend layers. Go to stack images and click on OK. And ta-da! It is going to do a magic and it is going to blend this cloud very efficiently and in a very good way that it doesn't even seem like that the cloud isn't a part of this image. So here is how you can do it. Thank you so very much for watching.